Good morning, everybody. Today is a wonderful, clear day. Now it is. It was raining just a little while ago. Time to change some steps out on a Jeep. The wife and I used to own a 2014 GMC Yukon, or 2016, I can't remember the exact year, but it started having some engine issues. So we started having issues one day when the lifter failed on it. So I pulled the head off, and then I pulled the other head off, replaced all the lifters in it, and then like a month later, if that, it did it again. And I was like, I'm not fixing this car again. So we ended up selling that thing for like $20,000 to the Chevy dealer out here. Then we started looking around, and then she found this, a 2024 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. She told me that she was wanting some steps for it, so I ended up buying these. These are around $350 or so. And the first day she's like, oh, okay, these are cool. And then she starts using them. She's like, oh, I absolutely hate these things. And the reason she hates them is because of this. And I thought this would be cool because, you know, maybe later on we'll get a roof rack or something, but it's just in the way. It takes up half the space of trying to get into this thing. So let's open this thing. See how you get inside? Me, I'm tall, but see, you got this thing just right in the way. And then you have to move your feet in because this step is in the way. And then for getting the kids in, there's like, what, 4 inches of space there to put your foot up there? So the kid has to push off here. So I bought some different steps, and they're one step all the way. So no more of this. And if you look at these steps, if you hit something, you know, these are supposed to be protecting this area here. All it's going to do is crunch right up into it. Because look how close it is right there. You hit a rock hard, it's going to bend these things up right up into this. It's going to destroy all of this right here. It's funny, every Jeep that I see going down the road has a big old crack in the windshield. And just trying to get out of this thing, like, you have no room to put your foot anywhere. You have to like put it at a weird angle. So once the step is all the way flat here, you know, you'll have more room to put your foot out here and get out. And she's shorter. That's the whole point of buying these things. I didn't need them. All right, what's in the box? Definitely doesn't work as good as the knife. And my wife was looking at her Amazon returns, and a lot of them are charging a restocking fee, even on the stuff that it was actually damaged when she got it. So she's actually having to pay restocking fees on her returns. So if you are returning a bunch of stuff to Amazon, you might want to see if you are getting charged a restocking fee. She didn't know it. See, we're supposed to use this box to put the old ones in to return, but I don't think that's going to be possible. These are the brackets. These are aluminum. I'm gonna be honest, these feel really cheesy right now. Really cheesy. So she might not even like these ones. These will definitely not take a hit. These will be nicer to get in, but yeah. You take a hit with these things, they're just going to crumple. If you're going to go off-road, I don't recommend these at all. Those would probably be better. Basically just going to be like that. These just feel really flimsy. Super flimsy. Compared to that, I don't know. Those seem really flimsy. I don't think she's gonna like those. I might try to find some tubed ones like that are one piece all the way. I don't even know if I'm gonna install these things. They're so cheesy. Well, I have to say, these are not what I thought they would be. These things are super weak. I'm afraid that I'm going to put them on and someone heavy is going to stand on these, step on them, and they're going to twist. So I was planning on doing an install video and an uninstall video. I don't think it's going to happen today. These things, I think I'm going to order another set of these, but without this step here. These are just so weak. I mean, you could kick these and bend them. So I'll put these in the description of don't buy these, but man, these are just garbage. We'll make a different install video of a better set of steps, not these.